So in this class, we will be discussing about binary trees. So a tree we have studied. A tree is fundamentally, it is a data structure which consists of a special type of node called root node, which consists of a special type of node called root node, and if possible, it will be having a left subtree and right subtree. And all those subtrees in turn are called as trees. They again will be acting as parent for their children. So that is what is normal definition of the tree we have studied in the previous classes. Right, that is what tree we have. We have been knowing about the tree. What actually is a binary tree? So tree is different, binary tree is different. A binary tree is a tree which has finite set of nodes. I hope this font size is visible to you. If I make it full screen, yes. A binary tree is a tree which has finite set of nodes that is either empty or consists of a root and two subtrees called left subtree and right subtree. So what the property says, binary tree either it can have a root node or it can be empty or it can have two subtrees, left subtree and right subtree. So that is called as a binary tree. There can be empty nodes. That means why the name binary? The maximum number of children allowed for the tree is binary. That's why it is called as binary tree. A binary tree can be partitioned into three subgroups, that is root, left subtree and right subtree. It is partitioned into three subgroups. In general, a tree in which each node has either 0 or 1 or 2 subtrees is called as a binary tree. So that is what is binary tree. So what the binary tree definition says, I will explain with an example diagram. What binary tree they say? Binary tree is the one which is either empty. There are no nodes. It is either there is a single node called root node, or it can have one left subtree, or it can have only right subtree, or it can have both A, B and C. That is only left subtree is there, only right subtree is there and both subtrees are there. This is called as binary tree. So the meaning here is it can have 0 nodes, it can have 0 nodes, it can have only one node, or it can have left subtree, that is 2 nodes, again 2 nodes, and a root node can have maximum 2 children, left child and right child. That is what is binary tree. Why the name binary? The maximum number of possible children for a root node for a parent is 2. You cannot have more than 2. So all these are examples of the binary tree. If you write like this, it is an example for binary tree. If you write like this is also an example for binary tree. If you write like this is also an example for binary tree. So all are examples for binary tree. Now by chance if I write like this A, B and C, this is not a binary tree. This is not a binary tree. Why it is not a binary tree? Because the root node A is having more than 2 children, child number 1, 2 and 3. That means binary tree should not have more than 2 children. Binary means 2. Binary means, because binary numbers you have studied, zeros and ones. 2 possible values are there for binary. So by using that terminology, you can simulate that to this one. So this is not a binary tree, whereas this is the binary tree. I hope you have understood the meaning of binary tree. Binary tree is the one which has maximum 2 children. Minimum it can have 0 nodes also. It can have 0 nodes also. That is what is binary tree. So here it is written at the end. In general, a tree in which each node has either 0, 1 or 2 subtrees. Every node, maximum possible, every node should have only 0, 1 or 2 subtrees. Then only it is a binary tree. A, B, it is a binary tree. C, D, it is also a binary tree. The entire thing is binary tree. If I write like this, yes, it is a binary tree. Now if I try to extend like this, yes, it is a binary tree. Now if I try to write like this, X, Y, Z, then it is not a binary tree. Then it is not a binary tree. Why? Because everywhere the condition is true, maximum 2 children are there. But when I come for E is having 2 children. So it is not a binary tree. It is not a binary tree. I hope you have understood the definition of binary tree. A tree which has maximum 2 children. Maximum 2 children, then only it is called as a binary tree. How do you represent binary tree? Using pictorial representation. That is what it is. Every node is represented like this: left link field, right link field, and information field. How do we represent binary tree? That means node representation, node of a binary tree. Node of a binary tree. We use 3 fields for representing node of a binary tree. The center field is info field, it is left link field, and it is R link field. Because how our binary trees will go, they will go in this order: A, B, and C. Root node will have a pointer to left subtree, and it will have a pointer to right subtree. It will point to left and right. That's why left link will point to left subtree and right link will point to right subtree. It will point to left subtree and this link will point to right subtree. So this is usual representation of each node of a binary tree. Each node of a binary tree. So whereas these fields, combination of all these 3 is nothing but our node. Node of every binary tree. What it contains? When I talk about node in a binary tree, it has 3 things. This is where actually we store the data. Data can be anything, 100, 220. Actual data we store here. That means here in this case, if you draw the tree like this: 100, left link, right link, 200 and 300. Then for this is what is representation for this node 100. This is what is representation for the node 100. So information will contain actual data. Left link pointer to left link, R link pointer to the left link is a pointer to left subtree, right link is a pointer to right subtree. Then how do you say your node? Your node is nothing but the combination of left link point, that is pointer to the left subtree, information field, that is actual data, then right link, that is pointer to the right subtree. So that is how we represent each node of the binary tree. So this can also be written like this. All these are examples. You can use left subtree, right subtree, both the notations, arrow marks and without arrow marks. Right? So examples, null tree, this is also a binary tree because empty tree. There are no nodes in the binary tree. This is also one example for the binary tree. Second example, tree with only one node, because what we know, a binary tree can have 0 nodes, 1 node, 2 nodes. That is maximum. Every node in a binary tree can have maximum 2 children. So with this property, we say all these are examples of the binary tree. This is also an example for binary tree. This is also an example for binary tree. This is also an example for binary tree. So all are examples for binary tree. That is what is the meaning of binary tree. So what basically binary tree is: a tree which has maximum of 2 children is called as a binary tree.